While other brands are busy explaining away why magnesium stearate and seed oils are healthy, you will have nothing to hide because you are working with PureNSM. Enable your marketing people to brag about your product's purity and do so without raising your manufacturing cost. At PureNSM, we have mastered the high volume encapsulations without the use of questionable flow agents.
Hi, I'm Dean with PureNSM. If you already have a supplement on the market, you know about the rampant use of synthetic flow agents like magnesium stearate or rice extracts that can contain seed oils. It's what many major manufacturers turn to when it comes to high volume encapsulation. For decades, the only other option was to slow down the flow rate, thereby increasing production costs. But not anymore. PureNSM relies more on technique than chemicals. We granulate, mill, and sift the powder for a more perfect blend and flow. In addition, we use NutriFlow 8, an all-natural flow agent containing granulated and finely milled and sifted ingredients from bamboo and leucine. In addition to that, we also use other, not so well-known flow agents that are 100% natural and do not contain seed oils. No wolf in sheep's clothing here. If you want to learn more about our revolutionary new techniques and how they can help launch or revitalize your supplement brand, give us a call today.